Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn the introduction to the jQuery. So let's start the class. So it's about introduction to the jQuery. So jQuery is a lightweight JavaScript library. What is jQuery? It is a lightweight JavaScript library. What is it is? Lightweight JavaScript library. So designed to simplify the process of interacting with HTML document. So what is HTML document? So in the document, we will write the HTML tags, right? So we will write HTML tag and we will design the web page. So that document is called HTML documents. It was introduced in 2006 by John Rice, who was frustrated with the complexity of cross-browser JavaScript issues. He was frustrated with the complexity of cross-border JavaScript issues. jQuery is known for its ease of use, speed, and rich feature set. So jQuery is known for its ease of use, speed, and rich feature set, making it a popular choice among web developers. Making it a popular choice among web developers. It is particularly useful for tasks such as HTML, DOM manipulation, CSS manipulation, event handling, animations, and Ajax interactions. So jQuery is used in particularly HTML and DOM manipulation, CSS manipulation, event handling, animations, and Ajax interactions. So in these features, we will use in the jQuery. We will use the jQuery. So why we have to use jQuery? Why we have to use jQuery? jQuery is widely used by many large companies, including Google, including Google, Microsoft, IBM, and Netflix. So top companies are using jQuery. So which means they want jQuery. Who knows jQuery? They want that resources in their company. Why? Because they are using the jQuery in Google, Microsoft, IBM, Netflix. So we have to learn jQuery. It's important to learn because big companies are looking for jQuery candidates who knows jQuery. So it's particularly it's important to learn jQuery every software individual. Its popularity stems from ability to simplify complex JavaScript tasks, making it easier for developers to create interactive web pages. So making it easier for developers to create interactive web pages. Additionally, jQuery is highly extendable, allowing developers to create custom plugins for specific tasks. To create custom plugins for specific tasks. So jQuery is highly extendable, allowing developers to create custom plugins for specific tasks. Basic knowledge required. Before diving into jQuery, it is recommended to have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Familiarity with the document object model DOM and a text editor is also helpful as you will be working with the web-based applications. As you will be working with web-based applications. Before diving into the jQuery, it is recommended to have the basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, if you want to learn jQuery, it is very important that you have to know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then only you have to get into learn with jQuery, or otherwise, should not. You should not. First of all, you have to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then only you can go to the jQuery. And next, familiarity with the document object model, it's DOM. And a text editor is also helpful. You will be working with a web-based application. So we are using what text editor we are using? We are using Notepad. We are using Notepad to write the HTML tags, and then that is the HTML document. Installation and usage. There are two ways to include jQuery in a project. Downloading a local copy or linking to a file via a content delivery network. So downloading a local copy or linking to a file via content delivery network, CDN. CDN method is faster and more efficient than downloading a local copy. copy. So as it allows the jQuery files to be delivered from a server close to the user. So as it allows the jQuery file to be delivered from server closer to the user. You can find the latest version of jQuery on Google's hosted libraries or download it from the official website. You will be having this official website, jQuery. Then there you can find the respective library, respective versions of jQuery. You can use it. You can use the latest version of jQueries on the Google hosted libraries or download it from the official website. So we will see in the next video how we can download the jQuery, all these things. Don't worry, I will explain those things also. So basic concepts. So what are the basic concepts are there in the jQuery? Selectors. So in CSS also we were having the selectors. So that's why you have to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript before entering into the jQuery. That's what I'm saying. So selectors, jQuery allows you to select HTML elements using various methods. jQuery allows you to select HTML elements using various methods such as ID, class, or attributes. ID, class, or attributes. So these are the selectors. And events. jQuery provides methods for handling events like mouse clicks. Like if you want to click like this, right? We are having some action, right? So jQuery will provides methods for handling events like mouse clicks, key presses, and page loads. And effects and animations. Effects and animations. Effects and animation. Effects and animation. So jQuery offers a range of effects and animations such as fade, slide, and hide. Such as fade, slide, and hide. So jQuery offers a range of effects and animations such as fade, slide, and hide to enhance the user experience. To enhance the user experience. Ajax. jQuery simplifies the process of making asynchronous requests to servers, making it easier to update web pages dynamically. So Ajax jQuery simplifies the process of making asynchronous requests to servers, asynchronous requests to servers, making it easier to update web pages dynamically. So it simplifies the asynchronous request, that's it, from the to servers. And learning resources. Learning resources. Learning resources. For beginners, there are several online resources available to learn jQuery, including tutorials and guides on websites like W3 Schools, Tutorial Points, DigitalOcean. These resources provide step-by-step instructions and examples to help you understand the basic of jQuery and how to apply it in your project. So, which means not only in my class, if you want to check in W3 Schools, Tutorial Points, DigitalOcean, you can also see these same content in that there also. You can learn from there also, and if you have any doubt you can come to my class and you can listen it. So at finally we have to learn jQuery, that's it. Conclusion. In summary, jQuery is a powerful JavaScript library that simplifies the process of creating interactive web pages. Creating interactive web pages. Interactive web pages. With its ease of use, speed, and rich feature set, it is a popular choice among web developers. To get started with jQuery, you should have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and be familiar with the DOM and the text editor. There are many online resources available to help you learn jQuery, including tutorials and guides on popular website. So jQuery is the process of creating interactive web pages. That's it. Interactive web pages. You have to remember this. Why is for a jQuery? It creates the interactive web pages. So this is all about the basic introduction of jQuery. So if you find this video helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And if you have any doubts in this class, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.